Hey guys, it's Taz over here from Taz Talks, and today we're going to be talking about the Phantom Rider work boot from Double H. Let's get to it.
Taz Talks.
Alright guys, here we are. The unboxing. I'm not a real big fan of unboxings, but I'm going to go ahead and start doing them, especially when it comes to these work boots, because some of y'all do like it, and it does give you some information up front before I actually do the testing on them. So I just got these in, it was yesterday I think. I found them on Amazon. I found them on sale at a very, very good price. This pair of boots themselves have been discontinued, but their whole line has not. So the Phantom Rider series still exists, and they still make the heck out of them. They're very, very popular. In fact, they're so popular that they're no longer a Double H. Double H spun them off into their own brand. So now the Phantom Rider is now just Phantom Rider. The ones that we're going to review today was when they were still part of the Double H lineup. Okay, so you're going to see Double H on the outsole, so on and so forth. I said review, I meant unbox. The unboxing we're going to do today was when they were still part of the Double H team. I mean, they still are. They just gave them their own brand. The Phantom Rider. These things are actually pretty cool. So, let's see. Here's the edge of the box. I don't know if you guys can zoom into that or not. Let me make sure we're sharp. Looks like we are. Okay. And before I go pulling these out for you to get a good look at them here, I'm going to go ahead and talk about them while you're looking at them bullet points right there. Okay. This men's 11-inch composite toe roper is a striking original design from our Phantom Rider series. Crafted with a composite safety toe, a leather vamp, this Phantom Rider features formidable skull design on the durable lightweight textile and TPU upper. Inside, our AG8 dual density comfort footbed with enhanced arch support provides all-day support, while on the ground, the oil and slip resistance outsole delivers the essential traction you need. Now notice you said oil and slip resistant there, and they did not mention water resistant, because they are not 100% water resistant. I called Double H on these, and I wanted to find out if there was anything else I needed to add to this before I did the unboxing, so if there's any information I didn't have. And that's actually where I got all this information that I'm giving you right now. And they came out and said they're not waterproof. You'll have to get some waterproofing spray or oil or wax or something, and waterproof the boot yourself. They do have a inner mesh lining, but it's not waterproof. It does. They said it's very comfortable. So we'll have to wait and see. Like I said, I'm going to be testing them for quite a while. We'll probably do a 3-month, a 6-month, and a year video, just like I'm going to do with just about every boot I test, just to make sure that you guys can see how these boots hold up. I really, really don't want to test cheap, nasty boots that are not going to hold up. For one, it's hard on my feet, and it's going to be hard on your feet too. So quite typically, if they're sold at one of the big box chains, no name being mentioned, I shouldn't even say that. I'd say super discount mega stores. That's what I should talk about. Okay, then they're probably not going to be to the best quality. These style boots that actually have their own brand, and they have their cheaper lines, and they have their expensive lines. These right here, I would consider these more of an affordable mid-tier. Just from what I've seen with them so far. But like I said, we're going to be testing them for quite a while, so I'll be able to keep you guys informed and let you know how they're doing. Let's go through the details. Thomas Brown leather vamp, foxing and collar. Nice. Textile molded TPU upper quarter. Composite safety toe. mesh lining, electrical hazard rated, 100% non-metallic, 4.25 scallop, cement construction. Oh wow, so it's not Goodyear welted. Well, okay. I've tested some that were cement before and liked them, so yeah, we'll wait. We'll see how they do. EVA midsole, AG8 dual density PU removable footbed, oil slip resistant rubber, and ice outsole. I'm not sure what ice means, but we'll look that up. 1 inch heel height, that's good. And TPU heel stabilizer, good. So they got something to hold on to that heel. That's really good. Let's see if there's anything else here. I don't think that there is. I think that's pretty much it. It is it. Okay, well, let's go ahead and pull them out and take a look at them. Ooh, look at that. I always like brand new boots. I always like that leather smell too. At least these don't have that textile smell you sometimes get with boots, especially when they do have a lot of rubber to them. You get a weird oily smell. These don't seem to have that. They smell like leather, like brand new leather, which they should because they're brand new leather. So let's take a look at these. I do like that skull design. That's pretty killer. Let's see, is it? Yes, it is. Okay, so we'll get that up a little bit closer so you can get a look at it. There's that toe, nice square toe, I like that. These are not real heavy, could be good, could be bad. We're gonna have to wait and see. Yep, see how they still say double H on the bottom? I guess the new series says Phantom Rider on the bottom. But still. There's where it's telling you it's oil, slip, anti-abrasion. That's good. That means it's got a really, really tough outsole on it. I like that. We'll see though. We'll be testing them out. So there you go, guys. The Phantom Rider Double H, or I guess now Phantom Rider work boot. They are a composite toe. I see what they mean by that TPU, because that's this right here. Actually, still seems really well built though. I bet that's a lot cooler. Yeah, I bet your feet don't get as hot inside these. So, I'm gonna get some water repellent spray for them, and I'll start testing them probably tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Once again, Taz Talks. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Let me know that I'm doing okay here, and that you want me to keep on doing it. Thank you very much, and we'll see you again soon. Like I said, 3 months, 6 months, a year, and we'll see how these hold up.